Okay, everybody, here's the first thing. I'm going to try and convert this whole space into a spot where I can set up a tent, get a fire going, and enjoy my little backyard throughout the winter. That's the intent. Let's give it a shot. Okay. Whew. My hands are freezing. Okay. Fun little tent that I just picked up off of the Zon. Looks like I got some adjusting to do with the guy lines. Make them a little bit more tight. But this is just kind of a dry run. Pun intended. Maybe it's more of a wet run. So yeah, we'll see how this works out. Okay. Okay. That's the thermal, and I like to put the reflectant side up so it reflects the heat back on me. And tonight, I'm actually going to put my head down. I think I'm going to put it right here, right down here. Temps are going to get pretty cold tonight. Below freezing. I'll check it out. This thing's a great little egg crate. Super light when I like to do my ultra lights. It's just inconvenient to pack. One of the things you need to do when you're sleeping with a down is you've got to fluff it and you've got to let it get air, because it's the air that really helps you stay warm. If you just jump right into it, everything's flat and it takes a while. So since my last little run, I had to dry this out. If you saw my other video about how I got rained on with this sucker. But all right, get that all fluffed up. Just this old school hatchet that I have. When you're in their backyard, everything's just fun. Nothing wrong with just enjoying what you got. Kind of reminds me of
oh, what's his name? Bob Ross. Just a happy backyard. Just a nice little happy backyard. Make it fun, make it yours. I love getting out, going places, but sometimes, you know, you gotta be around. You gotta be at home with the fam. And what better way than to set up a fun night so the kids can be around the fire and you can camp out and what you built and what you have. Plus, it gives you a really good opportunity to get yourself prepped for when you go out. It lets you know what you have, like, in the present, and you can say, oh, okay, now I know that chopping wood with that little hatchet, that's not going to fly. I need something different or whatever. Because if you screw up here, well, that's okay. That's okay to screw up here. But when you're out there, it's a lot more risky because you kind of have to live with what you have when you're out there. Notice how I'm kind of just letting the hatchet do the work, and I'm not even really swinging the hatchet. Just kind of get it knocked, so then it's safer, so it's not gonna, I'm not gonna smack myself too hard. All right, let's go with that. That should be enough to get us started at the least. Okay, we're gonna go with that for right now, and I'm gonna come back when it's later. Maybe I'll set up a couple lights so you can see. I don't know how well my camera will do in the dark, but we'll give it a shot. And I'm going to put this wood in a dry spot for right now. And we should be good to go to start something up and just kind of enjoy being out here tonight. All right? I had an idea for tonight. So because it might be too dark, I'm not sure how well I'm going to be able to be seen while I film. So because you're in the backyard, you do what you can, you know. You get the ability to have electricity. So I'm going to set up a couple lights that I made up. Curious what you think of my lights. I'll show them to you here in a sec. I'm going to call them my bucket lights. Yeah, pretty cool. I'm hoping that by putting a bucket as a shade, just a white bucket, over my really bright halogens, no, LEDs, 20 watt IP66, whatever I use for construction. Just put this bucket over them. Let me get this down, yeah, like this. And let's see how this looks. Boom. Lampshade number 1. Booyah. Lampshade number 2. Let's get the white going this way. Boom. Whew. Not bad. See if this brightens some things up. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, let's see if I can't do this and get a fire started. And definitely cheating tonight, so we're just gonna get it so that it's nice and warm. Then I think we'll enjoy it and bed down. Here we go. Okay, I put the stuff in here so that throughout the day it wouldn't get all wet from any more snow that came throughout the day. It's been pretty good. We're gonna do a classic log cabin setup. So it's just like you would imagine it would be. You just kind of set 2 and 2 and 2 and 2. I'll bring you over and you can check it out. You just kind of get it so that it builds up enough air from down below and just pulls that oxygen through the fire, through the wood, and then it gets going. Let me show you, and then we'll get some more logs on there too. Okay, that's the log cabin method. Like I said, I'm doing some cheating, so that's the joys of being in the backyard. Just give a little bit of this goodness. That was wood. And then it will start right up. Well, if you can't tell, I really do love my backyard. This is what I love to do in it, and you gotta just enjoy what you have. And sometimes it's not always about getting out to some of the best places and seeing some of the best views. It's really about enjoying what you have wherever you're at. Well, it's getting pretty late tonight. I've been enjoying this fire. I'm just going to let it die out, and we'll crawl into the sleeping bag. Call it a night. Here we go. Okay. Closed down for tonight. Oh. Love it. Love it, love it. Oh yeah, this double quilt, this is so nice. You know what I've done? Is I've got the little light switch right here so I can cut it on and off. Oh, yeah, get some warm feet. Get that going there. Oh. I like it. I like it. Well, if nothing else, this just shows you that you can have some fun in your backyard. And you get to try out your own gear and your stuff. You know, this is great. I was given this tent by my in-laws. I actually don't know what brand it is. I'll try and find out in the morning. But yeah, it's a fun little one-manner. You just use a trekking pole to pitch it with the tension of putting the stakes in. Okay, well, oh, that's my night, friends. Thanks for staying up with me. We'll catch you in the morning. Okay? All right, y'all. Good night. Oh, good morning. Looks like it snowed. Not too bad. Oh. I hear some quail. It's not too bad. You can see some of the snow all right here. Look at that. Well, it's doubled down. It's pretty warm in here. Let's see what it looks like outside, huh? I can tell the sun's coming up. And I hear some neighbors shoveling. So there must be some snow. Oh. Let's get up. Good morning. About an inch accumulation. Too bad. Keeps it dry in here. All right, I think that was a successful backyard base camp solo camping. That was fun for me. So if you liked it, please subscribe and give a comment below if you have any questions about what I've done, or if you want to see more content like this, let me know. This was kind of unique, be able to just use my own backyard, set up an evening of solo camping. All right, that'll do it for me. Have a great day from Backcountry Blake. Bye, y'all.